This is Mike Royal from the Mooresville Graded School District checking in with our viewers. It's now Friday afternoon. As we promised 2 days ago from the construction updates, we're back on Friday, August 5th, giving everyone an update at the projects for both South Elementary and Parkview Elementary. I'm standing in the dining room area at South Elementary School. Behind me, you can see they started waxing the floors, getting the dining room area open for our students for Wednesday. Again, like we shared in our last video, on the first day of school, in the first week or two, we are going to be serving our students like we did last year, where they'll come and grab their lunch here in the cafeteria at South and head back to their classrooms. We will have some kitchen tables set up for our students who are in kindergarten. We'll rotate our kindergartners through so that they can eat in the cafeteria. And again, our first, second, and third graders, because they're used to that process, for the first week or so, will come grab their lunch and head to the classroom and eat. I'm now standing in the new lobby at South Elementary School. As you can see behind me, we've got our ceiling tiles hung. Our floor tiles have been put in place. Our new doors have arrived. Our door frames have been installed. We're working on completing all the hardware there. And what we're going to be waiting here is for our TCO, our temporary certificate of occupancy. So this new main entrance at South won't be open the first day of school. It will take us about a week or two, and then we'll have this new main entrance where our students and staff will enter each day. Again, for the first few weeks of school, we'll use the old entrance that we created last year, but again, we're getting everything in top-notch shape here for our stars at South Elementary School. Standing at the new Gymatorium at South Elementary School. Again, you can see the workers behind us. They're diligently working to get the floor laid down. The new Gymatorium at South will be open for students the Wednesday we return from our Labor Day break in September. We're very excited for this new space for the community as well as our South Stars. Now coming to you with an update from the parking lot here at South Elementary School. You can see behind me that they installed the lines today. They painted our lines for this new parking lot. And again, this is where our buses will come in the morning and drop off students. This is where we'll pick them up in the afternoon as well. So again, this parking lot's gonna be ready to go for open house on Monday, August 8th, as well as the first day of school on Wednesday, August 10th. I'm now standing behind the new serving line here in the kitchen and dining area for Parkview Elementary. Again, as we mentioned on Wednesday's video, the kitchen and dining area is ready here at Parkview for our students when they return on Wednesday, August 10th. We're looking forward to serving more students during the lunchtime here for our Patriots. And again, the cafeteria and dining area will be ready to go for our students on Wednesday. I'm now standing in the new lobby to the entrance for our Gymatorium space at Parkview Elementary. As you can see from Wednesday's video, a lot of progress has been made. Right now we're cleaning things up. We have our glass installed in all the doors, working on installing the door hardware. We'll have some final touch-up painting, cleanup, waxing on the floors here. If you look inside the new Gymatorium space, still a lot of action going on. We have our bleachers being installed. Those should be installed over the weekend, finalized, hooked up, ready to go. Again, looking at our door hardware, getting everything installed. We have our new flooring in the office space here for Mr. Baines. I know he is ready to have our Patriots working hard during the PE classes. Our stage has the new flooring, finalizing all the electrical, getting the doors hung. The doors will be stained over the weekend. And then again, we'll be cleaning all this area up, have our final inspections ready to go. We're still looking to be in here, utilizing the space on Wednesday. That is our plan right now. The space will probably be closed off during open house, probably be able to peek in the windows, but we won't be able to occupy the space until Wednesday, August 10th, first day of school for our students. Now standing on the outside of our Gymatorium space here at Parkview Elementary. Over my right shoulder here, you can see the playground has been reinstalled. We still have our new mulch that'll come in. That'll be delivered before the first day of school. So again, I know our Patriots, our students and staff are ready to get back on the playground. They missed out on that last year, but we made sure that we got it ready for them by the start of school this year. Again, this is Mike Royal signing off on Friday's video. Again, the video with the updates was made today on Friday, August 5th, in preparation for the start of the school year. We will give more detailed information. If there's anything changes with the schedule, we'll be sure to do another updated video to share out to the community. Just to recap the projects at Parkview and South, we're very excited about the process and the progress that they've made Again, we want to be sure to thank our folks at G.L. Wilson Performance Services for all their hard work. As you've seen in some of the videos, there's still a lot of subs that are here working diligently to be sure that we're giving our students and staff what they deserve in the Mooresville Graded School District, and we're making sure that we don't jeopardize any quality on either of our job sites. So to recap, Parkview should be good to go with the kitchen and dining area as well as the gymatorium space by Wednesday, August 10th, our first day of school. Everything is tracking to be on that timeline. At South, we'll be using the old main entrance for about the first 2 weeks of school, approximately, until we get our certificate of occupancy for the new portion of the building. We will have our dining room open for our kindergarten students. Our first, second, and third grade students will be grabbing their lunch and heading back to class for at least the first week or two of school like they did last year. And then we're really looking forward to the gymatorium space being open the Wednesday we return from Labor Day in September. So again, things are looking very good here as far as our construction projects. We're excited about the work, and we're more excited to see our students and staff return to school on Wednesday, August 10th.